Yeah, then you can say your name, and then you say, may I know your good name, and where are you working, and then we start.
Okay. Some brief introduction about
Yes,
yourself.
yes,
and
yes,
company.
yes, yes,
Yeah?
yes.
Start. Welcome to Secure IT, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. My name is Harish. I work for Radwin. Radwin India is the wholly owned subsidiary of Radwin Limited Israel, and Radwin has been in India for past 6 years. And Radwin India is the largest subsidiary out of the global subsidiaries, and we have more than 65,000 radio links installed in the country today. Radwin primarily addresses sub 6 gigahertz point to point and point to multi-point radios, which are typically used for the backhaul as well as last mile access solutions. Till now, India was focusing more on the carriers, the telecom operators, but now we see year 2012 onwards, the focus going more towards the vertical markets. And in vertical, the major focus we see now in the emerging markets is city surveillance or the traffic surveillance projects. We do have global credentials to prove our expertise, that our products and our platforms are successful in these kind of scenarios. And we see today that in India, fiber is not coming to any traffic junction. The fiber would be available till the nearest POP. So we see in the city surveillance or a traffic surveillance projects in India, Radwin can play a role for either providing a backhaul and also parallelly connecting the cameras at any given traffic junction. And Radwin radios provide 200 Mbps full duplex throughput on point to point and up to 200 Mbps full aggregated throughput on point to multi-point radios. And our radios support features like OFDM, which helps us radios to work in a near line of sight scenarios. We require normally 60% Fresnel zone clearance, and the equipments are carrier class, and we provide very low latency for the city surveillance application, which means that the real-time data or the video, you get a more clear image. We also address applications like number plate or face recognition, and all those applications are also addressed using our access radios.
Sir, technology, wireless, how do you see wireless being an advantage for security projects?
See, wireless per se, India actually is a jungle for wireless. Lot of people have deployed wireless. Definitely in the tier 1 metro cities, wireless is a challenge. When I say wireless challenge is because we specialize in sub 6 gigahertz and we sell most of unlicensed band radios today in India. So we do have products in the licensed band also, where the same products are tunable to work on the licensed band, and 4.9 gigahertz is the frequency band which is available for public safety worldwide. And I feel that the government should open and encourage the Ministry of Home Affairs or the police to use or start investing into this 4.9 gigahertz license, which would help them to ramp up their connectivity and address their connectivity requirements in any surveillance projects. Because we feel, as per our experience, fiber would not be available till any traffic junction. So wireless would definitely play a role. It could be a hybrid scenario, fiber plus wireless, but I feel wireless would always be there.